Hi, good morning to one and all. Myself, A. Raman Snehelu. Today I am going to explain how to construct polygon by using given side length. In this, for construction of polygon, I using angular method. In angular method, I am going to construct the polygon. Okay. First, set the drafter at 0 point. Next, draw the given length. First I am drawing pentagon and after that hexagon. The given number of sides is 5, so that it is a pentagon. First I am drawing the given length AB. (40 mm), giving the notation AB. Next, by using protractor, here the total angle of circle is 360 degrees by number of sides of a pentagon is 5. Therefore, the angle will get is 72 degrees. Okay. First, B as center of the protractor. First, place the origin point of the protractor at point B. Okay. Mark at 72 degrees. Okay. 0, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71 and 72. Okay. It is the 72 degrees line. Similarly, from A point also, place from left side 0 to 72 degrees, 50, 60, 70, 71 and 72. Okay. Next, join. Draw the radial lines from joining these points, that is 72 degrees line from B and similarly from A. Okay. Next, locate the midpoint of AB, that is draw the bisector for AB. Okay. Now I am having 3 lines. Okay. Next, by using compass, okay, take length of AB as radius, B as center. Cut this radial line at one point with the same radius. A as center. Cut this radial line. Got point A, B, C. Suppose this point as C. From point C, cut this bisector line of AB from the another end. Okay. These two intersect this center line at one point. We got last point, that is A, B, C, D and E. For pentagon, we need 5 corners. Okay. Next, join all the corners by using scale. B, C, next C, D, next E, D, E, next A, E. Okay. Now we got the required pentagon by using angular method. It is very easy. Suppose in some cases we need to find the midpoint of the pentagon object. In that case, first we need to draw the perpendicular bisector of a given any side AB. Now I draw on the one side from midpoint of AB to the opposite corner. In a similar way, draw another line. Take BC length and locate the midpoint of BC. Next, join this midpoint to the opposite corner. These two lines intersect at one point. It is the midpoint or center of this pentagon. Okay. Next, give the dimension. Okay. Next, by using the same procedure, draw the hexagon. Mark at 0. Draw the given side length 40 mm. Next, give the notation A, B. Okay. Next, here the total angle of circle is 360 degrees by number of sides for hexagon is 6, so that we got 60 degrees. Okay. Here the angle in previous case we drawn 72 degrees. Here we need to draw a radial line with 60 degrees from both ends of A and B. Next, position the protractor with B as center. Okay. Next, mark the 30 degrees line. Next, from point A also. Okay. Sir, not 30. Now located 60. Sorry, not 30. 60 degrees. Sorry. 60. Okay. Join lines from A to the located point. It is the point located 60 degrees from A. Okay. Next, similarly, draw the perpendicular to the line AB at A and B. Okay. Next, by using compass, take the radius as AB, A as center, cut this left inclined line, radial line, and B as center, cut this line. We got 2 points. From this point, cut this vertical line. From this point, cut this perpendicular bisector. We got 4 different points. That is A, B, and this one is C, and this one is D, and this one is E, and this one is F. Okay. Next, join all the points. Got B, C. Next, CD, EF, AF. here ED and AV are parallel lines, so that I have to check before drawing. Okay, it is the required pentagon. After completion, we need to give the dimensions. Here the angle with the horizontal line is 60 degrees. Similarly in left side also, this one is 60, and the inside angle is 120. In every corners, angle between in every all corners is 120 degrees between the two sides. Okay, let's give the dimension. Okay, okay, now we completed the pentagon and hexagon by using the angular methods. Okay, thank you.